Hello teacher, so today I am going to be doing a science experiment. So the materials is oil, water, and some cups. So let's pour the water.
Enough.
Then let's pour the oil and let's see which one will float. So the oil is floating above the water. Why? Because the water is more heavier than the oil, and so the oil floats. If something is heavier than oil or lighter than oil, if it's lighter than oil, it will float. But if it's heavier than oil, it will sink. So that's it. Bye, teacher. Hello, teacher. Today, I'm going to do a science experiment. We will see if I put this skewer that is already oiled, there's oil on it, I don't know if you can see it, into this balloon, and will the balloon pop? And if it did not pop, I will tell you why. First, let's put the skewer in. Actually, that's the only step. Okay, we got it in. Now, the test is to see if it's gonna go inside the other way. So, I've got it poking out. Oh, I'm scared. I got it through! I got it through, guys! It's deflating, but I got it through. And I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. Because the polymers that we just popped here are broken already. But the polymers of the other parts that we did not pop is still bonded. But if you make your balloon too big enough, the polymers are too stretched. So that will cause something called a chain reaction. A chain reaction is when something happens, it also happens to another thing. For example, if you make this too big and you popped it, the chain reaction is it will get popped here. But will it get popped on the other side? If it does get popped, because it's too big, the chain reaction, it also affected the other parts of the balloon. If it affects the other parts of the balloon, that means the balloon pops. But if you just get the balloon right, the balloon doesn't pop. It will just, the skewer will just be inside the balloon. Also, a hack if you're going to do this type of experiment too. If you're going to do it, make sure to push the skewer from the bottom to the top, not from the right side to the left side, because those parts, the polymers are too stretched. So that will mean it pops. So, bye, teacher.